Welcome back to part 2 of our image to video class. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your video, how to edit it, how to edit the video with first straight. So how we can edit it. Then what you are going to be doing is clicking on, we are going to be using CapCut, this CapCut. Going to be using CapCut to edit our video. Okay, if you don't have CapCut on your phone, please go to your Play Store and download CapCut. I have CapCut already. Just go to your Play Store, so download CapCut on your phone, then click on CapCut. You download your CapCut, then sign up with your Google or your Gmail account. You can then so you click on new project, click on this plus sign, new project. So you click on it, click on the new project. So this is the video this is the video. So we are going to be editing. Then click on it, you click on add, then this is what we are going to be doing. Ta-da! So what you are going to be doing here is we want to edit this dub logo. We want to edit it. How you can edit it is, sorry, before starting, I'm using premium app. Yes, I'm using premium app, so you may not see CapCut watermark on my video. So I want to cover this dub snap. And hey, sorry, the photo I even use, I've forgotten that there is watermark on it. So I forgotten, so I'm going to be doing that also. So let me show you what we can do, what we are going to be doing to edit, to cover this dub. You click on text. Let me show you. You click on text. What am I even doing? This text. Sorry. You click on text. Then you click on sticker. Just look for use something like this. Click on this free. When I told you that I'm using
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie. In today's
free, so we are going to be using it to cover this, or I'm going to be showing cover this. You can use it to cover it. Then you see this thing. You click on this. You know that we are still on this thing. We are still on the editing. Then you click on this place, this white scroll. You see that it's going to be scrolling. You can scroll it. Sorry, you can draw it. So now draw it with your hand to reach where the video stops. You see this ending that you see CapCut. You click on this ending, then you see delete. After clicking on the ending like this, click on this. After clicking on this ending like this ending, then you click on you see delete button, then you click on delete. So you have delete the ending like that. Then can you see?
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, we'll teaching how to make you image to video.
Can you see? So that's how to edit your video. And if you are using it for, maybe you want to add your name, you can also add your name to cover the watermark. You know why this thing is big is that this thing that I used to cover it, the elements I used to cover it is big is that because I've forgotten that I don't remember that the video I'm choosing it has watermark before. So if the video is not have, but did not have watermark, it's only the dot watermark I'm going to be closing. So let me, second step, out, you back it, you back here, you back here, you back it like this where you see arrow, then you back it to use, then you now click on text. You can use, you click on text again, click on text. Maybe you want, okay, let me delete this, let me delete it. How to do it? You toggle on it, you click on it like this, you click on it like this, then you now click on delete. So you see that I've deleted it. So then you now touch this arrow to back, then you now click on text, you click on text. Please follow me step by step. You can watch this video and rewatch it. So click on text, now right, you now add, click on add there, click on add text, then you click on add text. Now write anything, maybe let me say in with Aishamie, in with Aishamie, yes. Then if you want to, maybe you want to use templates, or you want to use maybe you want to use fonts. You see fonts, let me use this font, click on any font, let me use, click on any font. Can you see that there is different templates? There are different templates there, the trending templates. So you can choose one. Let me choose this golden, so that my cloth is golden, so let me choose this golden free. Don't click on it. Then yes, you now use this let me drop this thing to move your video, that you see arrow up, arrow down like this, then you toggle on it to make your video to be bold. Then you can use it to move it. If it's the, can you see, if it's only the dump logo, can you see that you can use it to cover it? But it's because of the Snapchat. But look aware of the, don't bother about the snap edit that is there. So can you see that I've covered it with my name? Even if it's the so if it's YouTube you want to use it for, or maybe Facebook, you can use subscribe button animation. So I just want to teach you how to cover your, how to edit the video, how to cover the logo. So how to cover the logo? So to, you click, you see this white to make it to, then you now draw it, you draw this white to reach the video length, so that it's going to be, so then let's play it.
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie.
Can you see?
In today's tutorial, we'll teaching how to make you image to video.
Can you see? So that's it. So that's how to edit your video. So you can also do it with your, if you download it, but you can also use it with your normal CapCut also. But is that the premium CapCut is to let you to use many editing. You can use to edit very well. There are some things that you need to use on your video editing, but you will be needing the pro version. I won't lie to you, CapCut is the best video editing. So it's the best video editing. Then you can also use InShot. So I'm going to be teaching how to use InShot also. So that's how to use CapCut to edit. Then if you want to add, you click on this arrow to back, or this arrow. If you want to add sound audio, you click on this plus, add audio, this plus, under this plus, add audio. Can you see? Please follow me to the end. Follow me to the end. This add, what's wrong with you? Add plus, add audio. Then click on it. You can also add sound. Then click on sound. You click on sound. You see? Then start clicking on sound. So it's to load. Maybe let me find random sound. It's loading. So let me use cam. Let me search cam. So I'm teaching you video editing like that also. So cam. Let me cam sound. I can see some sky sound. This is, let me see. Can you see this sound? Sound of quiet. Then plus. That's mean you've added your sound. Can you see? Yeah, let's play.
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, we'll teaching how to make you image to video.
Can you see that the voice is very long down? The sound is very long down the video. So how to edit the sound? You see that this is you click on the sound. So as you click on the sound, then you now scroll. Sorry, it's on the sound. You now scroll. Use your hand to drag it back. Then you drag it. You let the line, this white line. You let it to be in the middle of the. You let it to be in the middle of your last video. So where the video stop, you let it to be in the last where your video stop. So you let the line to be aligned to it. Then you see where you see split. You see split. Then this split. You click on this split. You click on it. Can you see? So you see that this let me show you. See, the sound is now split into two like that. So you are now going to be deleting the ending one, that where there is no video. See that is now in the ending. If it's the one that is the front you want to delete, you touch here, the where you see the point, you touch the boy. We are deleting where there is no video. So you see delete, then click on delete. This delete, then click on delete. So we have deleted. Can you see?
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, we'll teaching how to make you image to video.
Why? Wait.
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, we'll teaching how to make you image to video.
So that's it. Can you see? So that's how to edit your video and to edit your video. So to cover your logo, to cover the logo. So if you have your brand logo, you can use your brand logo to cover it also. Do you understand? If you have your brand logo, So you can use your brand logo to cover it. So then to export it, you see this export, then click on this export button, this export, this export, then click on it to export it. So you wait for it to load. Please don't close CapCut or lock your screen. Can you see? So let's leave it to load. So done. So now can you see? So let's go to our gallery. Maybe gallery. This is my gallery. To check the video. This is the video that we edit. The video that we edit. Let's play it.
Welcome to Earn with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, we'll teaching how to make you image to video.
That's it. So that's how to edit. So try and do so. This video is helpful again. If you have not yet, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Please don't forget to do so.